Hello everyone, on this nice sunny day we are putting together our new raised beds. So as you saw, we have got three wooden lattice raised beds here. We ordered them online. They are like each raised bed is 1 by 3 feet. So together they make 1 by 9 feet approximately, and the lattice is 1 meter tall, which will help with climbing plants. We have filled them with multi-purpose compost, and we are going to put 2 more raised beds together. So keep watching.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Digging.
You are digging?
Yes, all the gravel out of here.
Are you tired?
Yes. Yeah.
Are you tired? You want to stop?
No.
You don't want to stop?
No.
You want to empty it all up?
Yes. Yes.
Are you enjoying? So here all the raised beds are ready now. So we have got 2 more raised beds which are 2 by 8 feet. So it's like 16 square feet area of each raised bed, and these are of like pressure treated timber, so which is stays nice in harsh weather conditions. And we have filled them with topsoil plus multi-purpose compost. So there is like 1 to 3 ratio of topsoil and multi-purpose compost. So this is going to be our vegetable garden in our backyard. This area gets lots of sun the whole day, so it starts in the morning and gets like 10 to 12 hours of sun at least from morning till afternoon. So the sun keeps moving from left to right. So basically, as you see, this is our greenhouse. We ordered this greenhouse in January sometime, and then we assembled it ourselves. It was really hard job, very tedious to assemble it. There were lots of tiny parts which needed to put together. It's made of polycarbonate sheets and aluminum frame. However, it does the job really well. It's 6 by 8 feet greenhouse, and it's really good sized for our needs. So I have started lots of plants in there, which I will show you some other day. And as you see, it has got this door which has a latch on it. Some comes with a sliding door, but ours is like with latch, and that's okay. And it has a window which you can open if it gets too hot, which it does get hot these days. We are getting really good sunshine. And we have put gravel all around the raised beds, which will help with weeds, control of weeds, and it gives it this vegetable garden really nice look. So you can see we have put an arbor here where I will plant grapevine, and I will train it alongside this arbor. And I have got some citrus plants and strawberry plants in the containers. So you can see this area gets lots of sun. This is how it looks from the front. And alongside we have some patio area where children play around, and that's we got all this patio area and this backyard done recently. And I have shared a video where we did a makeover of our backyard and front yard. If you haven't checked it, I will strongly suggest that you please check it out, so it will give you a nice idea how we started from scratch. So hope you liked the design of this vegetable garden. I really loved it. It looks awesome, and I'm really hopeful to grow lots of veggies and flowering plants and fruiting vines here. And I'm starting lots of seeds these days, so please keep watching my channel for future updates. So if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, as it helps me to make more videos, and click on the bell button so you receive all the notifications. Your opinion matters to us, so please leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.